So welcome friends. Today I will show you the working directory and project directory of the previous video project, and I will show you. Then I will show you how to create your own project using SBT. So I have opened in Sublime Text. So this is our project. Uh, Play sample play hello Java world tutorial, and here you can see this is the folders it contains. So mainly app contains our code. So in app we have controllers, so home controller, and in play you have to extend controller. So here you can see we are import a package play.mvc.star. So it contains the controller class and other class like a result and request. So for making controller we have to extend controller. So from here we can define on the actions, like if some request to come to index, then it will return this page. It will render this view.html.index.render. So views is a folder. Here is an html.index. It will call html.index.render. It will render this page. So let's see what is there. So it is a template engine, template coding like we do in Thymeleaf. So it is just like Thymeleaf, but it have some different syntax. So we will learn about them later. Mainly, we will focus on the API construction. We will not go for right now for the HTML code. Okay, here are some more functions. So let's see how to read the project. So first of all, you should go into conf folder, and here you can see routes. So this routes contains the all URL. So you can see this is the get request with slash, and it will redirect you to home controller dot index. Here index is a function name, and this explore is function name, tutorial is function name. So you can see we have already uh, index, explore, and tutorial function in this. So when we will request for this, then it will call this function. So let me show you one by one. We have explore, tutorial, and plant slash. So uh, this is already running. So this is the index page, and let me show you with the get mapping explore. It will call explore function, and it will in controller, and it will render this HTML page. And the third one was tutorial. Let me show you that also. Tutorial. So friends, this is the routes, and this is the application.conf. Here we can configure our settings like password for the MongoDB or SQL or other settings too. And in logback.xml, we can configure the logging criteria, like we have to maintain logs in which file and what types of logs. So basically, play provided by default logging, so we can modify them as per our convenience. And you can see these logs. These logs also get stored in a file. Let me show you that folder. In logs folder, you can see application.log. So in application.log, you can see these are the these logs get stored here. Okay. uh, and we will talk about logs in my videos later. And this is for now, and this public folder contains, as I have already told, images and JavaScript code and style sheets. So I will go for only API part, so I will skip this HTML part. And these folders contain some inbuilt configuration like mappings, other things. So we don't have to do anything with these. And this is the SBT build.sbt. So it contains the Scala version 2.13, and uh, we are using the current version of Play framework, which is 2.7.3. So this is for today, and now I will show you how to create your own project using SPT. So go to official website of Play Framework, and here let me show you from starting. Try Play, and from there you can see create a Play Java or Scala project. So for making Java project you have to fire this, and for making Scala project you have to fire this. So I am using Java project. Uh, Let me open a terminal. I am using this directory. Let me make a folder first. Let me name it uh, Play Tutorial. So we will use that folder, and let me copy paste it. Shift insert. Now it will take time to download the project. It will ask for the name of the project. So we have to enter that thing also. And in this project, I will show you how to make a API which returns a JSON response. So I will name it as my play project for first API. So it's taking time. So let me pause the video until here it starts downloading the project. You can see it. It's downloading the dependencies which are required for our project. And like Spring Boot, we can also add the Maven repositories in this project. And I will show you it later. So let me pause it for now. Now it's asking for the name. Let me give it name first API project. Mm, First project. So it have created the project, and let me. So I will show you that thing later in my next video.